Hi lovelies! Thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome to my spring cleaning part 3. I love today's video. I've got seriously satisfying deep cleaning in the master bedroom, gratifying living room cleaning, and I'm most excited to show you my new stylish Easter and spring decor. I think it's really tasteful and so beautiful. I hope you like it too. Let me know what you think. If it's sunny and dry outside and not too windy, it's been so windy here lately. Saharan dusty winds, it covers everything in like a mud. Anyway, that's another story. So if it is sunny and dry outside, I will always begin my cleaning days by organising my dirty laundry into colour loads and getting a load in straight away so I can wash and dry as many loads as possible that day. In winter, it feels like one of my laundry baskets is always full. Is it the same for you in winter? This is my very favourite fabric conditioner, Kiss by Lenore. It's like spring in a bottle. Jessie loves clothes. I got Jessie this new pink fluffy super soft jacket from Jumbo. She gets so excited when she gets new clothes. I'm adding washing powder and warm water to this large bowl to soak my tea-stained tea towels to get them much whiter. It'll make them 90% better. Mind, if you have any tips to make them 100% whiter, add your clever method to the comment section below, please. I'm starting today's spring cleaning in my master bedroom. I do a deep clean of this room every few months, like today, and it gets a really good clean like every 1 to 2 weeks. With 4 gorgeous fur babies sleeping in this fairly small room, dust and fur removal is a constant. We rent this house, or I'd have carpet in here for sure. This flooring is so noisy when the pups walk, and I'm such a light sleeper. So I cover the floors in thick blankets. It creates more beds for the pups, which they appreciate in the hot summers. And I don't get woken up every time a puppy moves in the night. Today I'm shaking all of the blankets and the dog beds over the balcony. This will remove the majority of the fur. I have the washing and drying time to clean our bedding today, and the pup beds, they'll have to get washed one day this week. Luckily, they will fit in the washing machine, so that's fantastic. I just need a long, dry, sunny day with no Saharan dust.
You came along, couldn't look away. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down.
Now the bed's stripped, I'm lifting my curtains from the floor with a trusty hair bubble. I have 100 uses for hair bubbles. Is that the same for you? A hair bubble has so many useful applications. Anyway, I'm getting the curtains off the floor so I can brush and mop. I love these dry brush mops. I find they're fantastic, particularly if you have fur babies.
Another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming.
I know this amount of fur is outrageous, and I keep the girls as short as possible because they are long-haired in an attempt to try and reduce the volume of fur around the house on a daily basis. I'm vacuuming all the edges of the room, the door railings, to remove the dirt, the fur, the dead insects. Later I'll take a microfiber cloth to the edges of the door slider too. My gorgeous Boo-Boo assisted the full deep clean of the bedroom. He's got paws, so he struggles to help out a great deal, but he's amazing at giving pointers.
You call. Your perfume that I still can stand. But every
time to mop the bedroom floor. I love this green apple scent Decor. I love the scent and the fact it's a disinfectant. I add some boiling water, makes it smell even better. And then it's time to mop every inch of the bedroom floor, sliding the bed frame to get everywhere clean and fresh.
I'm still gonna be dreaming of you.
Oh, JJ's come to give a kiss.
Who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you.
Time to empty the washing machine and get the bedding set away. Have you seen how much fur comes off the blankets the pups sleep on? Ah yes, I wanted to ask, if you have a fur baby or more than one fur baby, where do they sleep? All 4 of mine do not sleep in their beds all night long. Let me know your fur baby sleeping arrangements in the comment section below. I'm tying hair bubbles around this top tightly to keep the printed writing bold and shiny. And for extra protection, I'll add it to a wash bag. My tea towels are soaked for a couple of hours in the detergent, so this will have whitened them. That's fantastic. I'm adding my cream and white bedding to the machine and then that's another load successfully away. How are you today? Have you written a to-do list? Or are you just going to wing it? I started cleaning my glass windows, my mirrors, my shiny doors with white vinegar. I'm finding it gives a less streaky and a more sparkly finish. I'm loving it so far. Have you tried cleaning with white vinegar? What do you think?
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now.
If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me to clean today. I'm Kirsty, part mum to 4 sweet rescue dogs and wife to my husband. We've been inseparable since I was 19. I love sharing homemaking, cleaning and decor videos, as well as my healthy lifestyle and diet. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you're enjoying today's video and would like to see more of my weekly motivational videos. Once you've subscribed, please leave a comment below and let me know where in the world you're watching from. I used to be a geography teacher. I adore the world and nature, so I'd love to know where you live.
The only ones who can decide.
Today I'm spring cleaning, so all of the edges of the glass, the frame, the sides, everything will be cleaned really well. Oh, Boo Boo looks shattered from cleaning. I cleaned all sockets and light switches to remove all of the dust. This bedroom spring clean is seriously satisfying and it's coming along just lovely. Now I'm cleaning the outside of the glass patio doors and the frame. On a cleaning day, I get through a lot of microfiber cloths, especially when cleaning the windows. Inside, I use a vinegar damp cloth, followed by a dry microfiber cloth to polish. Then on the outside, I use at least 3 cloths. I use the grey microfiber to remove the thick dirt, then normally the pink microfiber to clean it, and then normally a yellow one to polish it all up. I try and clean all of my glass patio doors upstairs and downstairs once a week if I can. I also, throughout the week, remove the kiss marks and the paw prints, especially if it's wet from the lower part of the glass doors. So I do try and keep on top of these. I love my glass sparkling all day, every day. Now I've flipped my mattress. I'm vacuuming between the slats and the bed frame, which are pretty gross because they're filled with fur and dust, and this happens pretty regularly. I vacuum the sides of the mattress because it gets embedded with fur. Also, the headboard's extremely dusty, so I'm vacuuming this and then wiping it with a microfiber cloth and my Pledge Clean It spray. Then it'll be lovely. Yay! I love the smell of clean and fresh bedding, and I can never wait till the evening to get into bed. I love clean bedding day. Is that just me? Or do you love clean bedding day too? It's so worth the effort of changing the bed. Now my bedroom is filled with that spring, fresh, clean feeling, and mentally it feels so refreshing too, that all the dirt and dust and fur, it's all far away and it's sparkly clean. It just feels great. So satisfying. We are nearly complete spring cleaning in the master bedroom. The very final task is all of the doors need the smudge marks removed. So a little bit of white vinegar on this cloth and a few microfiber cloths later, all of these cupboard doors and the doors will be sparkly and shiny and removed of all smudges. I'm also cleaning the handles and inside the door frames too. I'm also super careful when using the step ladders. Lovely. The clean bedding is ready to hang on the roof terrace and it is stunning up on the roof today, though a bit on the windy side.
I watch you as as you drive. Do you know I'm
Thank you so much for being here today. If you get a moment, please do like and comment on this video. I really love to hear from you all.
I love you. You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feel.
I wanted to show you the Easter decor before I go and put it out because I think it is very tasteful and I think it's very nice colours for spring. Like, I just could not go past this. Those spring colours are just fantastic. So when I put that on the front door in a little bit, I think that's just going to look, it's just going to look so spring and so lively and so beautiful and fresh. So that's great. I got these for the mantelpiece above the fire. I thought they were dead cute. In the fireplace, I always have some kind of light going on. So I used to have at Christmas, I've got like sparkly lights, and now I've got love heart pink lights. And I thought these rose lights, they're gonna work just perfect. The fireplace is real, but I painted it when we first moved in here, and it's got candles in it, and I think that's gonna work lovely. I'll show you later. Then I got these. Now, I love this kind of Hawaiian hibiscus type flower print. I think it looks really, it's just beautiful. And it's so fresh for spring. So, and I thought with the eggs, actually I thought this was really quite tasteful. So I've got these small ones, and then also I've got these bigger ones so I can mix them up. And then I just couldn't go past this blue colour. I thought it was so fresh and so pretty and bright, and I think that's great for when you're coming into spring.
forever, forever.
As soon as this last load of washing is all hung out, it's time to decorate for spring and Easter. And I think you're going to really like how all the decorations turn out. You'll have to let me know, but I think it looks just lovely.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
Oh, and I have got lots more Easter and spring decor to come in my very next video. I had to go back to the shops. I had seen things that were playing on my mind that I had to get. They're seriously adorable but sophisticated. I think they're so cute and you're gonna love them.
Can we stay here together?
I wanted to start Easter decorating with my entranceway, so I cleaned my front door with Pledge Clean It spray, and I attached the Easter wreath with those suction hooks, and you know what? It worked, an absolute treat. The wreath has stayed perfect and looks gorgeous at the entrance, even through these crazy Saharan winds we've been having lately. 4 suction hooks have kept this wreath perfectly in place. In winter, my boys are never far away from the fire.
I love my Lipsy tracksuits, but they do have these very naughty bits of metalwork on them, and they're going to ruin other clothes. So this must go into a wash bag.
These wash bags come in small and large sizes, and honestly I use them every single wash. This tracksuit also has this gorgeous decorations, but they're solid metal, so this wash bag allows me to protect my tracksuit and everything else I'm washing at the same time.
I say we fly away, you and me. Go to our favorite.
Time to decorate the living area for Easter and spring, but it needs a good tidy up first. Let's quickly get this area straightened up and clean. I'm making sure the correct DVD or Blu-ray's in the correct box, then I need to remove everything from this area so I can clean, and then I can decorate.
With you, I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind.
Now the DVDs are all filed away, I'm going to give a quick clean to this TV cabinet. This TV cabinet needs cleaning a lot. It was deep cleaned just last week. It needs a wipe every day or two to keep it really dust free. Then I'm giving a very careful deep clean to the Xbox pad. I'm being super careful. Do you like my pink pad? I love it.
Away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my
I'm cleaning the whole mantelpiece and the fireplace with my Pledge Clean It spray, and all of my photographs in my frames too, and my well-used coasters.
with you.
Now to add my tasteful Easter decor, my cute eggs in baskets. I can't wait for you to see how this turns out. Honestly, I really love these rose lights. Actually, I love all lights. They always make me feel happy and smile. And these lights, every time I turn them on, actually I'm turning them on first thing in the morning because they just fill me with so much happiness. Do lights do that to you too? Anyway, what do you think? I really adore this look. They have been a little pick-me-up on the really gloomy days we've been having recently. How gorgeous are they? And only €5 for such smiles.
We were young and running free.
I have been looking for something like this for ages, and I think this will work perfectly to store our daily used condiments, you know, our salt, pepper, hot sauce, soya sauce, all those kind of things you add to your food. Our living room table where we eat is multifunctional, so it'll be dead handy to be able to lift this on and off the table several times a day. I think it's perfect. Very happy. Time to play around my gorgeous flower egg decorations. This took some fiddling, but the tall and short pink flowers worked perfectly together in the tall new vase from Jumbo. I think it looks really sophisticated and adorable. All I need now are some glass beads to fill the bottom of this vase, and this will look just gorgeous. So I wanted to use this big round new vase. I used an elastic hair bubble to tie the ends together of the flowers, and perhaps the flowing look did work, but I improvised with a gorgeous new short glass, and again I need some beads for the bottom, but I think this looks just lovely. I'll show you the finished look in the kitchen next time. Thank you, lovelies, for joining me today. It felt so rewarding cleaning the master bedroom, and it smells divine now. The Easter and the spring decorations are filling me with smiles and joy. Every time I see them, I smile, and they were so cheap from Jumbo. Small touches can make such a big difference and really make you happy. Those rose lights really melt my heart. I look forward, friends, to seeing you here for my final spring clean and decorate next time. I can't wait to show you the new decorations. Please subscribe, like and comment today before you leave. See you again next time here, and I hope you have a beautiful day, lovelies.